paano siya na PR and then paano po niya nakuha yung family. So, how are you, May? From Bisaya to English na.
Hi, Marge!
diba? Okay,
And
yes.
happy kay nandito na ang family. Kasama ko na ang husband and kids. So, very
yes.
happy and thank you.
Wow, thank you and
Char-char lang.
congratulations.
Parang may baby ba na?
Wow.
Hindi.
So, balik tayo, May, kasi sa mga nanonood po doon sa OBA pathway para maging RN dito sa Australia. So, di ba nakwento mo doon kung paano ka naging RN, di ba? So, kailan mo nakuha yung registration mo?
So, roughly March, kung walang mga delay sa paper, after OSCE exam, one
And then finally, naanap po mong family, di ba?
Yes.
Okay guys, so karon guys, isulti niya guys kung ang sayang story, paano siya na PR and then paano po niya nakuha yung family. So, how are you, May? From Bisaya to English na.
Hi, Marge!
diba? Okay,
And
yes.
happy kay nandito na ang family. Kasama ko na ang husband and kids. So, very happy and thank you.
Wow, thank you and
Char-char lang.
congratulations.
Parang may baby ba na?
Wow.
Hindi.
So, balik tayo, May, kasi sa mga nanonood po doon sa OBA pathway para maging RN dito sa Australia. So, di ba nakwento mo doon kung paano ka naging RN, di ba? So, kailan mo nakuha yung registration mo?
So, roughly March, kung walang mga delay sa paper, after OSCE exam, 1 month lang talaga.
Okay, so 1
makukuha
month.
mo na talaga yung registration mo after you pass the OSCE exam. Kasi kasama dun yung mga cogs na from other previous employer nyo, that will cause some delays. But pero kung ready na yung mga documents nyo, everything, 1 month lang, makuha nyo na agad ng registration.
So, oh, that's good then.
Yes.
So, after 1 month, so for example, you have your registration and so, anong visa mo noon is student visa?
Yes, student visa. I convert my tourist visa to
Student.
student. So while waiting for the registration and everything.
Okay, so from student visa, paano ka naging permanent resident dito sa Australia? Kasi maraming nag-aabang, di ba? Maraming mga
Kaya
viewers,
nga,
hi,
yes.
salamat sa inyo. Di ba? Anong process, anong steps ang ginawa mo para ma-convert yung ano mo?
So luckily, galing tourist kasi pumasok ako ng Australia from tourist kasi nag-take ako ng OSCE exam.
Okay.
Pero na-convert yun sa student visa kasi naghintay ako ng registration, may delay sa COGS ko and everything. And I applied for student visa. So after that, nag-student visa ako. Nakuha ko yung registration ko while I'm on student visa. So while on student visa, nag-apply ako sa mga hospital
nursing home.
and nursing home. So luckily nakuha ko sa isang hospital dito sa lugar namin. And they are willing to sponsor me for 186.
So, yung 186 pala guys, yan yung employer sponsorship, parang pero direct to PR na yan siya. So, bali, ikwento mo nga, May, so ano yung 186 kumbaga? Mag-work ka sa kanila for how many years? Like,
In
sa
my
visa,
case, kasi ako yung nagbayad ng visa ko.
Depende
So,
kasi yan,
yeah, depende sa employer nyo if they are willing. There are some na under
Willing to pay.
186, yes, na sila lahat mag-cover ng mga expenses. So, you will work for them for 2 years or 3 years according depende sa employer.
Agreement,
But in my case, kasi I paid my own visa, so I don't have any commitment to them.
that's good
So, anytime I can resign from my employer and I can have also extra in a different employer as well. In my case.
In your case. So, you
Yeah.
can apply any
Yes.
employer. So, meaning you're not like tied up on that company.
Yes, I'm not tied up.
So, that's good then. So, depende kasi may mga employer din dito sa Australia na willing to sponsor sa
Yes.
visa mo. Meron ding iba na ikaw as an applicant ang magbayad sa pero mas okay din yan kung ikaw kasi nga
Yes.
may option ka na you can work with other facility then. So well, that's good. So, How many months?
But March, the most important is your family is here. Whatever visa is that,
True.
186 tied up or 186 not tied up.
Yeah.
As long as your family is here, you're with your family.
So, okay lang.
Yes,
yeah.
okay
Oo nga. Yan ang pinaka-importante.
Yes.
Makuha mo na at makasama mo siya. So, how many months or, months takes na, mag-grant yung visa mo, for example? Like,
So,
apply ka.
nung nag-sponsor na sa akin yung employer, 1 month lang ako naghintay. As in, ang bilis. After nila nag-lodge ng visa, kasi I have all my documents.
Okay.
Kasi kailangan lang nila is you have the contract with the employer, you have your UNMAC assessment,
Okay.
plus you have your registration in APRA, and your passport. So, if kompleto na yan lahat,
Ready
then they
na.
can lodge your visa, ready na agad. So, naghintay lang ako ng 1 month and nag-grant yung visa ko.
Wow, so
Yes.
she's so lucky. Kasi yung iba, abutin pa yan ng 3 months, 3 to 5 months
Yes.
para mag-grant ang 186. So, that's how about the medical? So,
Yes,
kasama na.
kasama na doon.
Ah.
After na nag-grant nila ng visa, automatic yung
account.
Imigov, they will notify you to do a medical together with my husband and 2 kids. So I did my medical here in Australia, and my husband and 2 kids, they did it in the Philippines.
Well,
So,
that's
yes.
good. So, how
And
many months then takes time for them to have the medical?
Overall March, it's included
Waiting.
in 1 month.
The
The
waiting.
medical, the waiting period, it's included in 1 month. The medical and everything.
Oh, that's good.
Yes.
Yeah, so congrats.
Thank you,
So
Marge.
anyway, dahil nasabi mo na nga, no, dahil sa ikaw nagbayad. So, for example, may RN din, no? Lahat naman ng mga applicants dyan na pupunta dito, kung ba mag-RN din sila, gusto mag-nurse dito sa Australia. So, kung gusto nila mag-186, for example, may employer na sasalo sa kanila, tapos hindi naman mag how much it will cost the payment for the visa?
Okay, so for the payment
For-
of
on your-
the visa,
for you
in my
only.
case, okay, so ang total is binayaran ko lang talaga yung visa namin, which is 9,500 AUD.
Kasama na mga kids.
Yes,
Ano?
included the kids and my husband, plus the payment to the agent. So the agent
Like-
asked me to pay 2,000.
Very
So
nice.
overall, it's 11,500.
So-
And that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes.
Makikita mo naman, di ba? So, 1 year ka na ba ngayon?
No, not yet,
Okay, but
Marge.
worth it.
Yes, really
Oh.
worth it.
So, yeah.
And Marge, I waited only for 10 months. When I came here to Australia, 10 months lang hinintay ko. Nandito na lahat ng family ko.
So,
my husband and the
meaning, nung pumunta ka dito, nag-OSCE ka, lahat ng exam ka, tapos hanggang nakapunta sila doon, 10 months ang waiting period, nakasama
Yes.
mo na sila. Wow, that's good. Congratulations. Makasana all dahil.
Sana all.
And then, so ito na nga, di ba? Anong may, kasi marami din nagtanong sa review center mo. Sabihin mo lang anong pangalan ng review center mo sa OSCE.
Sa OSCE, yes, I enroll in AURN pathway with Christine.
Christine,
Yes.
okay. How much you pay also for that?
For the review, I pay there for 2,500.
Yeah. Anyway, I think it was on my previous
Yes,
video.
previous video.
So, nasabi din ni May kung saang review center siya. And then, ito na nga siya guys. Kasi nga nasa hospital siya ngayon nagtatrabaho guys. Diba tanongin natin. So, ano nga ang feeling na na nandito ka na sa Australia, nag-work compared sa other country before? Anong feeling mo? Like, iba? Or,
In terms of environment, Marge, yes,
Yes.
it's different. It's nice here. Environment-wise in Australia is really good. Plus, the environment for kids, it's really nice. Wala akong masabi. Then,
wala na siyang masabi
wala-
guys.
yes. Especially nandito yung mga friends nyo and everything.
So, lahat ng support. Parang
Yes.
ano ka na.
Settled.
Okay. And then may
Well
nabalitaan kami, May.
ano? Ano
So, dati guys, since nag-start siya, normal registered nurse lang siya. Pagpasok niya, like, as an RN. And then, Now, na-promote na siya guys. Isa na po siyang ANAM. So kung para sa atin yung ano ng ANAM, parang assistant manager, di ba?
Parang ganun.
Parang ganun. ANAM dito sa Australia. Kasi, congratulations! Wala ka pang ganyan. Baka sana all time.
Sana all gitu.
So ano masasabi mo sa mga aspiring nurses dyan na gusto pumunta dito na alam nila ang story mo. Wala ka pang 1 year pero na-PR ka na dito sa Australia at nakapasok ka na sa isang public hospital, right?
Nako sa mga aspiring
Oo.
RN.
Oo.
Dyan.
Kababayan natin.
Kababayan. Nako. I think Filipino March is not hard for them to, to get a decent job
Wow.
here in Australia because you know what?
Hardworking.
Yes, Filipinos are hardworking and Australia really love people who is hardworking, very dedicated sa
Yeah,
work.
that's true.
And wala akong masabi. Even Margie,
Even the camera.
even the cameraman.
Yeah, oo. Iba talaga
Kaya,
ang Pilipino, Pinoy.
Pinoy is, tatak Pinoy talaga ang trabaho. That's what, siguro nakita nila yung hard
Paano
work,
ka?
yung
Deserve
the
mo
way
naman.
you love our job, the way we love our job, it's really
Yeah.
from the heart.
From the heart.
Yes. So, thank you, Marge.
Thank you so much, May.
Yes,
And
thank
then,
you.
happy ka na kasi andito na lahat ang family mo. Tapos, ayan, yun na nga, kumpleto na anong hihilingin mo pa, di ba?
Wala.
Kumbaga, lahat, andito na. Lahat ng hiningi mo kay Lord na makuha mo yung registration mo, makapasok ka dito. At saka yan, stable na. So, thank you din kay Lord. Tsaka,
Yes,
thank you
kay
for,
Lord. And thank you
ano,
for the support, Marge, throughout the way.
Aloy, salamat din.
Sila kasi yung mga sandigan dito sa
Yeah, lahat naman tayo nagtutulungan eh.
Yes.
But anyway guys, sa lahat po ng gusto mag-apply, so panoorin nyo lang po yung OBA Pathway na previous video namin ni May. At saka ito po parang lang to, general information regarding PR Pathway na 186 visa. So thank you for watching guys and thank you Meg and
Thank you.
congratulations.
Thank you.
So, thank you.
Marge. Thank you.
Sana all guys.